Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer with Couture. Today I am using chalk ink on this apron. Thought I'd jazz it up a little bit. I am going to use the transfer. I believe it's Mama's Kitchen. Anyway, I'm using this part that says, "Because I said so." Now, what parent or teacher or anybody really have not said this before? So I thought this really jazz up this apron. Really nice. So underneath it, you saw I had that pad. It's a sticky pad, and it works to smooth out your fabric and to keep it in place while you're inking. It also will work as a barrier to keep the bleed through or the inking not to get on any other surface. So I'm just, like always, just taking a squeegee and putting on the ink. It's a little thinner consistency than the paste, and it's not as forgiving because it will stain. So you have to be a little bit more careful, whereas the paste you can just wipe off. There you are, because I said so. Now, to make this permanent after the ink dries, just take parchment paper, put it on top, put your iron at a medium heat or cotton setting for 4 minutes on the front and back. And then in the laundry it'll go. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more, just go to cheriecriswell.chalkcouture.com. So glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed this video, just press the like button and the share. Thank you so much.